Hello everybody, rasamandappam in the house. Today we are going to make some amazing whole wheat banana pancakes.
The ingredients for this dish are, we have taken 2 elaichi bananas and we have cut it into small roundels. So that's 2 of them. Now we'll add 2 eggs. Okay. 2 eggs. Then we'll add about 250 ml of milk, fresh milk, and last but not the least, for the grinding purpose, we'll add our palmjaggery, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of palmjaggery. Now we'll give it a quick mix and see how the consistency turns up. So we'll close this. And you get this watery texture. Okay. Now we'll go to our second step. So we'll be sifting our flour first. We'll take a sieve and we'll be taking around 150 grams of wheat flour, whole wheat flour. You can even use Maida, all-purpose flour. Okay. And post this, we'll even add our baking soda, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. Just mix it because it has to get sifted together. Now we'll add the mixture that we prepared in the mixie, okay, that is a banana mixture. Just add all of it and now we'll do the cut and okay. So now I'll just leave it like this for 5 minutes, okay, and it's done. So now we'll move on to making our pancakes with the batter that we just prepared. So we'll just put in our first pancake. Just take 1 spoon, round spoon, and let it just set for a while. It spreads a little while it's getting cooked. Once it forms a bubbles, then we'll just turn it upside down. Now as you see, the bubbles have started coming up. Okay. Okay, now it's time to do the flippity flop. It's done. Now we just flip it upside down. This is the right color, okay, for a nice lovely banana pancake. So let it just cook for 2 minutes. It's a quick recipe. You can try it with anything. You can even add oats to it. You know, if you're a vegan, you can add almond milk instead of, you know, just plain milk. Everyone of every age can have it. I mean, if you're giving it to children, you can add honey instead of sugar. Like we added, you know, palmjaggery, which is a healthy option. That's called nut chakar. So we can add that too. So that's a nice fluffy little pancake that is ready. Okay. So guys, do try it at home and do not forget to like, subscribe and share on Facebook, Instagram and mainly YouTube. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Hope you all enjoyed this beautiful recipe. This can be eaten for breakfast, brunch or even as a dessert. Keep it classic or add up a whole bunch of toppings. So looking forward to your comments and feedback. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share on Facebook, Instagram and especially YouTube.